Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to collaborate on shared AI notebooks in NotebookLM. So as always, open up your active project, say this one. The interface organizes everything into a horizontal 3-panel layout. And to invite your team members into this environment, you need to navigate to the top right corner and click on this share button. Alright guys, now a centralized access control modal window will open up over your screen canvas. In the text input field box, you can type in the Google account email addresses of the colleagues or students you want to join your session. Before hitting send, look at the drop-down selection menu and also set your access boundaries. So you can see access, just like everywhere on Google, it's either restricted, anyone with the link, or public. So just choose how you want to proceed, and then you can press on copy the link right here, and then you just go ahead and share this link with anyone, and they can be your collaborator. Then once the team accepts the email invitation, they will see the exact same layout structure. Any changes made to the far left source panel, such as clicking plus add sources to upload a fresh PDF or pasting a new YouTube video link, will update instantly for everyone logged into the notebook. So that's it, your collaborative AI workspace is now fully configured, allowing your team to sync research and brainstorm insights in a shared workspace layouts. That is it guys, enjoy and see you in the next one.